These next few minutes will mark the most important thing you'll do in a very long time, because you're about to discover the most valuable passive income producing secrets the internet has to offer. Did you know that you can now create a fully loaded membership site to start earning passive recurring income in just 30 seconds? Yes, without any page builders or funnel builders or any complicated software. In just 5 clicks, you can launch a fully loaded membership site with less effort than it takes to make a cup of coffee. Whether it's a video membership site or software products or pure content, you have the freedom to create any type of membership in just 30 seconds. And the best part is, you can do all this without a website or domain name or even hosting. Are you wondering what magical software can create passive income for you so quickly? Introducing Easy Salaries, a brand new cloud-based software that creates recurring income membership sites for you that bring in passive income day after day and month after month without doing any extra work. No technical skills are needed, no marketing experience needed. Just launch this software, follow the simple steps, and you're ready to create a passive income stream for yourself. Imagine this: if you bought this software for say $27 today and you created your first membership site, even if you charge just $1 per customer and get 5,000 people into your membership, you'd make $5,000 back from a small $27 investment. That is 185 times return on investment. Now let's take a real life scenario. If you sell info products or software or content from your membership site, you can charge at least $10 to your customers. With 5,000 such customers, you'll make $10 times 5,000 equals $50,000 back from just $27 invested. If you could do this over and over again, how many times would you do it? How many times would you want to turn $27 into $50,000? And all it takes is just 30 seconds to set up your site. Don't believe me? Let me show you right now. Once you log into your Easy Salary software, all you need to do is this. Step 1. Import or add your products. Don't have a product? Don't worry, we'll show you how to use other people's products to generate recurring income. No time consuming learning curve involved. We'll show you how to work smarter, not harder. Step 2, create your membership funnel. Step 3, just add your products to your funnel and boom, it's done. Your brand new membership site is ready in just 30 seconds. What you'll get is a beautiful membership site with products, content and videos all loaded for you in just seconds, not even minutes. The membership sign up pages, login pages, content pages are all done for you. All you have to do is start selling and signing up new members. That's all. This takes away all the technical headache of creating a membership site to build your passive income. This is absolutely brilliant and you've never have to do any hard work. Whether you're an experienced marketer or new to internet marketing, saving time and effort is important for everyone, so you can use that for other tasks. Easy Salary is fast, efficient, and creates amazing membership sites in seconds. If you're spending any time selling products, this is the only software you need to use. And if you're working your ass off creating membership sites or delivery pages, you need to stop wasting your time now. You don't need a domain name, you don't need hosting, you don't need expensive funnel builder software, you don't need to create videos every month, and you don't need to write any content at all. All you need is Easy Salary software and your membership site. Products and funnels can be ready in seconds. Sell them, promote them, and earn recurring income without doing any hard work. This is the absolute best way to create a passive income recurring membership site for yourself. Now again, if you're wondering, hey guys, this software is great, but I don't have anything to sell. So here's what you can do today to get a huge head start. Over the last few months, if you've bought any internet marketing products, many of those marketers are giving you bonuses that the software apps or have training courses that come with these reseller rights or white label licenses, even PLR. And that is what you can monetize immediately with. Put them all together and launch a brand new membership site. When you create recurring income membership today with all the white label products or reseller and PLR products and courses you already have on your computer, you can charge at least $7 a month for access to your site. And if you get just 5,000 members to this site over the next few months, you can take home $7 times 5,000 equals $35,000 each month after that. If you can do that with just one site, wouldn't that be incredibly life-changing? And that is the opportunity that you get here today with Easy Salaries. This powerful new software can turn $27 today into a $35,000 per month recurring income. But your first step is to take action now and get this software today, because this software is the key to financial freedom. creating huge passive income for yourself is now possible. So stop wasting your time, take action now, and get your access to easy salaries today. Our aim is to help you build a recurring, passive income that gives you freedom to do anything in life, and this software is your first step to doing that. We have a special deal open right now which will not last long. Scroll down below and get started today at our special introductory price.